Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. We are so happy you found us. I'm Lisa, and this is Creativity and Inspiration. Today, I normally don't do Valentine's Day. My husband and I don't celebrate Valentine's Day because we do things for each other all year long. Or we did, before he had his stroke. But that's okay. That's neither here nor there. Today, I'm going to give you some really cool, really romantic ideas, really awesome, for Valentine's, for that special someone. So let's just jump right into it and get going. Okay, first off, we have this plain white box, which is just a cupcake box. That's all it is. And what you can do with this little box right here is, like, let's see, I'm going to give you 5 different gifts that you can do with just this one cupcake box, okay? So we'll start with the most obvious one. You could put a cupcake in it that says Happy Valentine's Day or has a sticker. You could put a ring on a cupcake. So obviously, put a cupcake in the cupcake box. You could also fill it full of fresh flowers, and I will be showing you how to do that right up here. You could just put fake roses in it and take the lid off completely. You could just cut the lid off, or you could leave it kind of propped up like that and fill it full of fake roses, okay? That's a great way to do it as well. You can also use it as a gift box. You could fill it with some shred or some beautiful red tissue paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take about half of this piece of tissue paper. Now what I'm going to do is put it in, and I'm going to kind of fluff it because I want it to almost look like a rose in a box. Like that. See how pretty? It kind of looks like a rose. And then you could put a gift. You could put a sweet message. You could put a gift certificate. You could put basically anything you wanted to inside. I'm going to put this great goat's milk soap from Legacy Soapworks. This is the sponsor of today's video, guys. I'm super excited. I love this soap. So let's get into. So let me share a little bit about this soap, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm very excited to come and share with you this great new soap I found. As you know, if you've listened to me any amount of time, you know I suffer from extraordinarily dry skin, and it's super sensitive. So for me to find anything that treats super dry skin and doesn't break my skin out is really hard. But this Legacy soap, goat milk soap, does. And I'm just beyond excited to be able to share this with you and have a code. This soap is great. It has all natural ingredients. So what more could you ask for, right? Well, it's a small business. It's handmade in Oregon. I don't know. It just gets better and better, right? So I'm super excited to share this with you, and I'm super excited for you to try it. It comes in 2 sizes. It comes in a full bar size, which you saw when I was washing my hands. It also comes in this lovely little travel size, because I don't know about you, but if I travel overnight, I like to take my own soap with me. Try my link below or use my code LISA2022, and if you spend $35, you will get this amazing soap dish that I love because I haven't seen anything like it in stores. And you know me, I love stuff that you just can't go buy in a store. It has to stand out. And the soap stands out on so many levels. So check it out, click the link down below, and let me know what you think. Okay guys, so I'm going to put this travel size soap in this box, and it's going to be a Valentine's present for somebody I love and care about. And look how beautiful it looks in the box. So this box has multiple uses. Great Valentine's gift. Great for your dollars too. So when you buy the package of cupcake boxes, you get 3. That's endless amount of gifts in one box. Times 3. The first romantic gift is this ball jar right here. And what you can do with this, I have a pattern. I cut this out. The bottom has tabs, so the jar can actually have that curved shape to it, okay? And I poked a hole, but what you're going to do is I'm going to take this clear plastic, and you can put a gift card in it. You could put hearts in it that say, I owe you a back rub. I owe you a nice dinner out. You could put anything that will fit in plastic at this size. And I'm just going to use my little card here that I'm always cutting washi tape with, basically. Okay, you put your gift card in there. And then you come over to your ball jar and you tape or glue your plastic in like that. And then you attach the outside. See, it has these little tabs on it. Right there. You fold them in like that, okay? And then you just tape them to the bottom of the back of the ball jar. And then there you go. You put your ribbon through the top. You can put ribbon or lace through the top. And there you go. You have a really romantic gift. You could put a shrunk picture of airplane tickets in there. You could put a gift card to her favorite restaurant. You could do whatever you wanted to, but it's a super romantic looking gift and it's super cute, and I love this one. Again, if you don't want to do that, you could always just take that out, put a heart in the center like that. So it's very versatile. The ball jar is a very versatile gift. Another super romantic one that I love is this one. And what this is just 2 pieces of paper folded in half, 2 pieces of cardstock that have been painted and decorated. And I folded them in half. I stitched them shut and made pockets. And I made like this great Valentine's Day flip book. And you can put gift cards again in here. You could put shrunk down tickets in here. You could put tags with like back rubs, that sort of thing. You could put spa gift cards in here or appointment cards for a spa day. And this makes a great gift as well. On the back it says, I love you. And it's just super fun, super easy. And then just fill it up with what the person loves. Very personalized, very sexy. You could buy that lingerie, and no, it doesn't fit in here, but cut the tags off and put the tags in here. You could make this for a scavenger hunt for that special someone to find their gift. You could put 3 clues in here, and they would have to do a scavenger hunt to find their gift. Neat, neat ideas, guys. The last one is this very, very cute heart pillow, and I'm actually going to show you how to do this one. It's 4 layers. It's just some plain fabric, cotton fabric on the back. Then it's got a layer of cheesecloth. Then this was a quarter, fat quarter square. It's not very big. I think it's 18 by 22. I got a heart shape out of it. That's your pink, and then a heart lace on the very front. You can sew it together or glue it together, stuff it with cotton balls or batting or whatever, and make it a little pillow. And then with some, I would use, and with some twine, you can get keys off of Amazon. Put your twine, make a little ribbon, and attach it at the top like that. And it's the key to my heart. You could put a tag attached with the key and like, I love you, you're the key to my heart, but this is also the key to a special room or a special place or whatever. And go on a little special drive, a special trip. Anyway, how cute is that? And I'll show you all of the finished, wrapped up projects at the end. Except this one is already done. So guys, be sure to check at the end. I will have the box with the flowers in it. All of these gift ideas I've talked about will be showcased at the end in a little photo montage. Also, be sure and go check out our sponsor for this video, Legacy Soapworks, and use my link down below to get yours today. You won't regret it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't miss out on all of the upcoming videos. We have a ton coming your way. It's a new year, new topics, new DIYs, new crafts, new art, new everything. So hit that subscribe button down there, hit that little bell up there, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.